It was year 2008. एक कॉल आया दुबई से. My colleague gave them my number. The project manager की position, international project, big opportunity. And I was completely confused. Do I leave my country? Do I leave my family behind? Do I take this risk when everything here is already stable and comfortable? Confused, unsure, looking for an answer. सोचा किसी फ्रेंड से बात करके एडवाइस ले लूं या किसी सीनियर से पूछ लूं. कुछ समझ नहीं आया. देन मैं अपने पापा के पास गई. एंड यू नो व्हाट ही सेड? He didn't give me advice. He didn't tell me what to do. He simply asked, तुम क्या चाहती हो? What do you want? That one question, that's all it took. Because suddenly I had to stop listening to everyone else and start listening to myself. And the moment I did that, the answer was clear. I wanted to grow. I wanted to experience the world. I really wanted to become more than what I already was. So I went, and that decision changed the entire trajectory of my life. आज मैं आपके साथ ये शेयर कर रही हूँ because I know that many of you sitting here right now are at a similar crossroads. Not necessarily about moving countries, but about something equally important. You're 5 years in, or 10 years, or 15, and somewhere deep inside, there is a question that keeps coming back. Is this really what I wanted? Am I actually going somewhere? या मैं सिर्फ चल रहा हूँ बिना किसी डायरेक्शन के? Well, my name is Manmeet, and I am a life and a career clarity coach. And from last 23 plus years, I have been working in urban infrastructure market. Different cultures, international projects, and leadership roles is the feathers in my cap. And in this journey, one thing I have seen consistently: mid-career professionals are some of the most stuck people in the world. Not because they are not capable, not because opportunities don't come their way, but because they have lost touch with what they actually want. ये वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए है if you are like 5, 7, 10 or even 15 years into your career and something feels off. You are in the right place. Let me be honest with you. Mid-career confusion is entirely different from early career confusions. When you are fresh out of a college, the confusion is about direction. Which path should I take? What type of a work should I choose? What should I do? Job, business, or something else? But mid-career confusion is deeper. It's about identity. You have been working hard, sincerely, honestly. You have taken roles when they came. You have delivered results. You have gotten increments, maybe even promotions or two. But one day you wake up and think, ये सब कर रहा हूँ, but is it for me? Is this actually my path? Or did I just keep saying yes to whatever came my way? And that question, once it surfaces, it doesn't go away. You try to ignore it. You stay busy, you focus on the next project, but it keeps coming. क्या मैं वो कर रहा हूं जो मैं एक्चुअली करना चाहता हूं? That is not a career problem. That is a clarity problem. And the question comes that why hard work alone is not enough. Here's something nobody tells mid-career professionals, and I want you to really hear this. Hard work without direction is just a motion. It is not a progress. सोचिए, अगर आप एक कार में बैठे हैं, फुल टैंक ऑफ अ फ्यूल, इंजन रनिंग, बट आपको पता ही नहीं है कहाँ जाना है. आप ड्राइव करते रहेंगे, बट will you reach anywhere meaningful? That's exactly what happens when you work hard without clear direction or a roadmap. You are busy, you are exhausted, but you are not growing in the direction that actually matters to you. And the worst part, from the outside, everything looks fine. Salary aa rahi hai, role hai, stability hai, but inside, something is hollow. That hollowness is not a sign that something is wrong with you. That hollowness is your signal. It is telling you it's time to get clear, time to get direction. I want you to do something practical right now. Grab a paper and a pen, or open your note apps, whatever works. Draw two columns. Column one, write what I am doing right now. For example, write down your current role, your day to day responsibilities, the kind of a work you actually do every single day, and be honest. Not what your job title says or your job description says, what you are actually doing. Now comes to the column two. Write what I actually want to be doing. And here I want you to be completely honest. No filters, no judgment, not what looks good on LinkedIn, not what your boss expects, not what pays the most. What would you be doing if nobody was watching you? If there was no pressure from family, colleagues, or society, what kind of a work would you genuinely excites you? वो लिखो. Now look at these two columns. Are they the same or are they miles apart? If they are the same, well, kudos. You are in a good place. You just need some fine tuning. If they are far apart, that gap right there is your clarity problem. That gap is the reason you feel stuck. That gap is where your frustration lives. And that gap is exactly where we need to start working. Now, let's separate fear from the fact. Now, most people, when they see that gap, they get scared. They think if I actually pursue what I want, I'll have to give up my salary, my stability, my position. My family will be worried. My colleagues will judge me. So they close the notebook, they go back to work, they tell themselves, maybe later, maybe when the time is right, I will look into that. But let me show you something. Take another piece of a paper, draw a line down the middle, and start writing on this. On the left hand side, write what I am afraid will happen if I pursue what I actually want. Write down everything, every fear. Don't hold back. Now, right hand side, write what is actually true based on facts and evidence. And here's what you will discover. When you separate fear from the fact, the fear shrinks. They don't disappear completely, but they become manageable. For example, you might be afraid, if I change direction now, I'll lose 10 years of experience. Is that actually true? Or is that your experience is actually transferable and fear is telling you otherwise? You might be afraid, nobody will support me if I make a change. Is that actually true? Or have you not even had that conversation yet with yourself? Most of the time, the facts are far less scary than the fears your mind has built up. और जब आप फियर और फैक्ट को अलग करते हैं, तब क्लैरिटी शुरू होती है. नाउ टेल मी समथिंग, एंड आई वांट यू टू सिट विद दिस honestly. If you continue in your current role, doing exactly what you are doing today, for the next 3 years, will you be genuinely be happy? Or will you just be adjusting? Well, there is a big difference between a happy and adjusting. Happy means you are growing, you are excited, you feel like you are moving towards something that matters to you. You are building something for yourself. Well, on the other hand, adjusting means you are comfortable, you have stopped questioning, you are simply accepting whatever is coming, not questioning to anything which can excites you. Most mid-career professionals I speak to, they are just adjusting. They are not happy, going whatever is coming to their path, and that is not enough. Not for someone who has worked this hard, not for someone who has this much potential. तो सवाल ये है, are you happy or are you just adjusting? Let me tell you, when I moved to Dubai in 2008, it was not easy. New country, new culture, away from family, big projects, high stakes. There were moments of a self doubt, moments where I questioned everything. But here's what kept me grounded. I knew why I was there. I had answers that question honestly. मैं यहाँ आना चाहती थी. I really want to go there. And that clarity, that knowing, it became anchor in my every difficult moment. If I had moved without that clarity, without knowing what I actually wanted, every challenge would have felt like a sign to quit. Every difficulty would have felt like proof that I made the wrong decision. But because I was clear, the challenges became very, very less difficult and become the lessons, not reasons to give up. ये है clarity की power. And this is what I want for you. Not just a better job title, not just a higher salary, but a direction that is genuinely yours. So that when challenges come, and they will come, you know exactly why you are doing what you are doing. Well, I work with mid career professionals in one on one coaching sessions. And what I do is not give you a generic roadmap, because generic does not work. It's just like a doctor's. A doctor does not give every patient the same medicine. The doctor first listen, understand their specific situation. They understand your symptoms, your history, and then creates a treatment plan designed specifically for you. That is how I approach clarity coaching too. Well, we start by understanding exactly where you are, what's working, what's not, and what's creating the confusion. Then we identify your clarity gap, the specific distance between where you are and where you want to actually be there. And then we build a practical step by step directions tailored specifically to your situations, your priorities, your life, most importantly, your want. No motivation speeches, no generic advice, सिर्फ वो चीज जो एक्चुअली आपके लिए काम करेगी. And before I close, I want to share something personal with you. Whatever I earn from this coaching work, a significant portion of it goes toward the education of underprivileged girls, girls who want to study, who want to build their lives, but who don't have the financial means to do so. I have seen that what it means to have opportunities that others don't. I have lived the privilege of parents who believed in my education and my independence, and I don't take that lightly. So, when you invest in your own clarity, you are also, in a small way, investing in someone else's future. That is the purpose behind my brand, Purpose in Motion. So, if today's video resonated with you, if you did that exercise and saw a gap that you can no longer ignore, If you are sitting there thinking, yes, I am adjusting, I am not happy, then here is what I want you to do. Book a free 30 minutes clarity call with me. In that call, we will talk about your specific situation, where you are, where you want to go, and what is actually holding you back. Well, no pressure, no package being pushed, just a honest conversation, the kind you perhaps haven't had with yourself yet. And if you are not ready for a call today, that is okay. Comment want below if you felt something shift while changing this, watching this video, or comment stuck if you recognize that you are adjusting and not a happy person. And read every single comment, and I respond to that, because this is not just content for me, this is a conversation, and I want to have it with you. Remember what my father asked me in year 2008, tum kya chahte ho, what do you want? That one question, 5 words, changed the direction of my entire life. I am asking you the same question today. What do you want? Not what your boss wants, not what your family expects, not what your colleagues think you should do. It's just that, what do you want? So sit with that, be honest with it, and when you are ready to work on it, I am here. Well, I am Manmeet, founder of Purpose in Motion.